Let's go to.
Where to next?
I don't know. Where are you gonna bring us next?
Oh, I need something sweet.
I am sweet.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
sure you are.
So we are on the way to Tuguegarao City. Did I say it right? Tuguegarao?
Yeah, to Tuguegarao to eat pancit.
When it gets flooded here, it will go sometimes up to the bridge, right?
Yeah,
Like how many feet is that?
this is the longest river in Cagayan Valley. It's Cagayan River.
Ang bilis talaga ng tama.
Tanggaman.
Tagdaman. Ah,
Where to go next from here?
You have to turn right, huh? On the first corner.
Sure. So we just parked the car at the mall, SM, and we are now heading to the Bureau of Immigration to extend our visa. Because upon arrival, you will get 30 days, right? Yeah. And
One more second.
we are gonna extend it for 29 days more, I guess.
29 days and a half.
Great. Traffic is different in Europe than in Europe.
Yeah, it's very hot.
It's so hot that people are having umbrellas with them. Ah, go, go. I'm behind you. You're the guide. Are we crossing? So we are approaching the Bureau of Immigration. I need to turn off the camera here. So we just did the immigration. We got the extension for 29 days, and I paid around 4,160 pesos for the 29-day extension. Right?
Yeah, so we paid 4,160, right?
Okay.
And now we're going to Pancit.
We're gonna eat pancit. I mean, she knows a nice place to eat.
I'm
And
starving.
you're starving?
Always.
Her words, not mine. Okay, let's go to the Panciteria of Tuguegarao, the best one in town. One of the best. The scooter wasn't there. So if you're here, let me show you what she is preparing.
It's a sauce. Sweet chili.
What's inside?
It's calamansi and red chili. It's gonna be spicy. And then I'm gonna put onion and a soy sauce and a vinegar. Oh, it's everything here. That's it. Very good.
It's a nice spicy mix, I guess.
It is. Now dig in. Ooh,
That's how you do it.
take a spoonful. Now let's try. Wow.
It's also freshly squeezed calamansi juice. Calamansi with honey. I'm gonna try to finish this. We finished the plate. If you're very hungry, go for the large one. If not, go for the small one. Anything in between, get the medium one. So we're finished. Let's pay. And again, Gunnacao, Panciteria, Lamud.
Hi, kuya. Magkano? Yeah. Here's the cook.
180, Samsung Shanghai, 360, like this one.
Dalawang calamansi.
360 for 10.
410.
We say hi.
So the damage is 410.
It's our kitchen.
Yo, Ken, may sinabi ba ako? Naniluto mo? Yeah. Ken?
Yeah.
Like for this. We have 10 pesos.
You can get 500 back if. Yeah, make 500. Make 500. It's okay.
Okay, sir, thank you. I'll give it to them later.
Your battery is running out.
I don't know.
I'll cut it, okay?
Thank you, po.
Kuya, bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
So we're done.
Okay, and let's go to.
Where to next?
I don't know. Where are you gonna bring us next?
Oh, I need something sweet.
I am sweet.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
sure you are.
It's now.
Something sweet, something cold.
You know what? We're gonna end it here today.
Because we don't have battery anymore.
Yeah, we are also running out of battery. And let's see where the next journey will be. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching and follow for more.